problema sa buhay na. Hindi ko tinatawag yung pangalan, nagmamadali na siya eh. Pero nakayuko pa rin. Nakayuko lang siya dali. Kasi tingnan niya. Are you okay? Can you remove your cup? Oh! Put it back. Okay. Ready? Go! You had a dance, let's step up in the club. Okay, so! Pero nung sinabi kong play, tingnan niya lang ha. Sample lang to. Play, DJ! Yeah! Goes down! Oh, diba? Ba yung attitude niya eh. Laga pa sinabi mong stop. Parang masama ba yung manonood na tumigil siya sumayaw? Okay, nice. Yeah. Ito na, sir. Oo. Ito na, pambato. Play, DJ!
All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me.
Nakita mo yung ginawa ni Kuya?
Teach me how to play.
Lower! 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 Siguro natin bakla ito siguro. Kasi masumayo yung spaghetti ganun eh. Nice one. Ngayon guys ha, ngayon natin mapapatingnan, ngayon natin malalaman pala kung sino ang mananalo sa kanilang tatlo. Pero siguro okay lang naman apat pala, sorry. Okay lang naman makipagbeso-beso sa mga nanalo, diba? Beso-beso lang po. Okay. Kung sino ang pinakagusto ninyo, magpapalakpakan kayo at magsisigawan. Okay lang ba yun, guys? Okay. Number 1! 13. Nabilang ko. 13. Number 2! Ayusin nyo ah. Kasi gusto ko ng seryosong buhay. Hindi ko pa siya tinatawag. Nakapwesto na siya kagad. Number 3!
Go, Sammy!
Number 4! Pero mas panalo pa rin to. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Besa-besa. Thank you. Here, sir. Do you want more?
Yes!
Can you dance one more?
As you like.
Okay. Play, DJ.
Back at a party, I don't really want to do it. I'm just trying to get in and make it quick red bone. She do it dirty and all them bitches hate it, but I'm about to escape. That bitch in here home. She got her friends so she's true man. I wanna run even if her legs long. She like you hubby. I think she late, but
Hold position. Dami, dami, dami. Tiko, tiko. Tiko, tiko, do, do, do. Tiko, tiko, woo. Sige na, thank you very much.
Change the subject and I do my best. I don't give a fuck, blow trees, get money, really smooth, half in the back of Playboy, buddy, you gon' make him do the dirty and
Wala na.